Alrighty guys, we are here at the Fairfield by Marriott, here at Whitestown, Indiana. And check out what we have here. Yes, look at that. Here we go. We got another Gen 3 here in Indiana. Brand new one too. Let's go for it. That's the talent, and that is the MRL cabinet. It's gonna one. That's what the lantern is. So it's a very nice elevator. Brand new. Well, kind of new-ish. Newer Series 2. That's where the lantern is. There's the MRL cabinet. Wait for the door to close. Nice. Here's a cab view. This is technically Indy's first Gen 3 install. Fairfield by Marriott. New 4. New Series 2 buttons, so nothing too exciting. Nice hotel. This is the MRL cam name right here. It's exactly like the Gen 2 model. Exactly. Honestly, I think the Gen 3 model is a bit cheaper than the Gen 2. But we will have to wait and see in a long time. That's the only thing that's different. It's a little bit limited, that's it. But yeah, let's go back down to line. Newer Series 2. Can you go stand up for me, please, will you?
Hmm?
Can you go and stand up for me, please, will you? Sorry. Thank you very much. Look at those, how the indicators are bigger than the Gen 2 indicators. A lot more indicator display. Hey, interesting. There's some subtle differences with the Gen 2 versus the Gen 3, but they're pretty much almost identical. You can't tell the difference between the two. But anyway, I guess that was gonna be it for me.